Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Gather the right tools: a 10 mm socket, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, gloves, and a new 12V21W brake bulb. Park the Corolla on a level surface, set the parking brake, and turn the engine off. Keep the cabin brake lights accessible by opening the trunk. Have a helper ready to press the brake pedal for testing, or use a 12V test light. Expect the replacement to take 20 to 30 minutes, and keep small containers nearby to hold nuts and clips so nothing gets lost. Open the trunk and locate the tail light access panel on the inside of the trunk lid. Release the plastic tabs and remove the panel to expose the assembly. Using the 10 mm socket, loosen and remove the mounting nuts that hold the tail light housing. Store them in a tray. Carefully pull the housing outward a few centimeters to reach the bulb socket. Rotate the socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Then pull the socket out and remove the 12V21W bulb by pulling it straight from the socket without twisting the glass. Install the new 12V21W bulb by aligning the pins and pushing it straight into the socket until it seats. Reinstall the socket into the housing and rotate clockwise to lock. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and reinstall the 10 mm nuts by hand until snug. Avoid over-tightening. A firm hand turn plus a small wrench snug is sufficient. Replace the access panel and clips. Verify operation by having a helper press the brake pedal while you observe the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.